y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you'll stick around for a while. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do the double crochet. I've worked up a chain. Here is the loop on my hook. That one does not count. I'm going to count 4 chains in, and that's where I'm going to put my first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first thing we want to do with the double crochet is we're going to yarn over. We're going to put our hook into the 4th chain from the hook. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull up a loop. We've got 3 loops on our hook. Okay, we're going to yarn over again over here, and then we're going to pull through 2 loops, not all 3, just 2 loops. Okay, so now we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again, and we're going to pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. So that's our first double crochet made. Okay, so we're going to yarn over again. We're going to go into the next chain, or whatever your pattern calls for. In this case, I'm going into the next chain. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to pull through that chain. I've got 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2. Now I've got 2 on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. And so we've got a couple double crochets on there. So we're yarning over, we're going into the chain. We are yarning over, pulling through the chain. We've got 3. We're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2. And we're just going to continue doing that. And that's how you do the double crochet. It's pretty simple. It's a good stitch. It creates your project. It makes it go by a little bit quicker because it creates a bigger stitch. So you have the chain, you have the single crochet, the half double crochet, and then the double crochet, which is what we're working on now. If you don't know how to do the others or would like a little refresher, I do have them on the channel. You can just go in there and find them. And this is it, guys. Okay, so here's your double crochet, and so it's bigger than your single crochet and your half double crochet, but it's smaller than the treble crochet. And coming soon will be the tutorial on the treble crochet. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. I will try to answer them the best that I can. I hope that you've learned something here today. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe button, plus the notification bell with the all selected for any time that I post something or go live. It'll notify you. It also helps support the channel, and it's completely free to you. So thank you so much for your support. Have a wonderful and blessed day till I see you again.